Hey guys, how's it going? How to configure email forwarding on Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and select your plan, and if you want free domain, many features, please visit the link in the description box. Now what you're gonna do, first of all, log into your Bluehost account manager, click on hosting tab from the side navigation, and under the all my hosting packages section, select the name of the hosting package that you wish to manage. If you have multiple hosting packages associated with your account, click the manage button for specific hosting package that you want to manage. If you have only one hosting package, you will be able to you'll be redirected to hosting overview page, and scroll to the quick links section in the server information and click cPanel email. Okay, and select forwarders in the cPanel email pop-up shortcuts to manage your server's email tools with cPanel. Right, continue. Click the continue button to redirect the cPanel, and basically to forward emails, please use email account forwarders below. Okay, to forward emails from one domain to another, please see the email domain forward below. So email account forward, so click the add forward button, right, forwarder, and enter the email username that you wish to forward, and select your email account's domain name from the domain drop down menu, and set your preferred destination using the options below, right, and forward to the email address. Enter the email account that you wish you would like to forward your message, and discard and send an error to the sender at SMTP time. This option sends an error notification to the sender, right? So if you want to use email domain forwarders, right, click the add domain forwarder button, choose the source domain from the domain drop down menu, okay, and enter the destination domain in the second box, and then click add domain forwarder. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.